This is my review of the Swan Retro Fridge Freezer in a lovely retro green. If we take a look in the fridge, as you can see, it's got plenty of room with 4 shelves in the door, which are all adjustable, so ideal for bottles on the bottom or wherever you want to keep them. It has quite a large salad and vegetable drawer at the bottom. You get 4 shelves in the fridge. They are all glass with a nice retro dotty feel and with also the swan symbol on each shelf. You also get a really nice wine bottle rack. Again, all the shelves in the fridge are all fully adjustable for the height that you need. Let's have a look at the freezer. In the freezer we have 3 very nice sized drawers, which are all easy glide, and you can fit quite a decent amount of food in there. Good for any medium to large size family. As you can see, it's a lovely green colour with a nice chrome finish with a chrome chunky handles. This is a really good focal point when people have come round. They all seem to like it. We're very happy with it and we would recommend it to anybody.